So NLP is a lovely foundational tool that you can add to any career. So we're going to talk about, and we're going to cover, I'm going to teach you some techniques so that you can navigate difficult conversations, manage up, sell yourself, have a mindset of success, and get your emotional intelligence to match your intelligence. Many people are very, very smart, and sometimes that means that they kind of lost touch with the emotional side of communication. And so we're going to bring the two back into alignment. So this will give you one CPD unit, either towards practice management or professional communication skills. So let me ask you a question. What if you could have a clear system of success principles that took all the guesswork out of what you're doing when you're speaking with people? Or would you love to progress in your career and feel confident and in control no matter what life throws at you? We all know life throws a lot at us. Well, guess what? There are real solutions. So who this is for? This is for you if you're a lawyer in a leadership role and want to be more empowered and inspirational in your leadership. You, if you're a lawyer and you need more powerful techniques to have difficult conversations successfully. Or if you want to improve your communication and negotiation skills. Or if you want to discover your own strengths and increase your emotional intelligence, then what I'm about to tell you will help with all of that. So who this is not for, it's not for you if you're not willing to think in new and different ways, or if you're not interested in investing in your personal and professional development, or if you don't want to take personal responsibility for the professional outcomes in your life. People have this is kind of a mindset that, you know, you got your professional life and you got your personal life and you don't mix the two. The two don't ever cross paths. But that's actually not how life works. Our businesses are an expression of who we are. How we show up in our work is an expression of who we are in our private life. So by working on ourselves, we not only improve our personal happiness, but we improve our professional success. So that's what we do through NLP.